Hello children, I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to learn fruits, vegetables, flowers and animals in Hindi. Let's see what. Children, first we are going to learn fruits. First picture is what? Watermelon. So for watermelon in Hindi, tarbooj. Tarbooj means watermelon. Tarbooj, tarbooj, watermelon. Second fruit is what? What is this fruit? Yeah, it is papaya. In Hindi, papita. You should say papita. Papita means papaya. Pa-pi-ta. Papita. So, papita means what? Papaya. Next is what? Yes, bananas. For bananas, in Hindi, what you should say? Kela. Kela. Kela means banana. Kela. Kela. Banana. Next is what? Yes. It is a picture of an apple, isn't it? So in Hindi, you should say that seb. 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 Seb means apple. Next we have grapes. Angur. For grapes in Hindi, you should say angur. Let's spell this word. A-in-gu-ra. Angur. Grapes. The last fruit we have here is pineapple. For pineapple, in Hindi, ananas. Ananas. Let's spell this word. A-na-in-na-sa. Ananas. Ananas means what? Yes, pineapple. Let's read these words once again. Tarbooj, watermelon. Papita, grapes. Kela, banana. Seb, apple. Angur, grapes. Ananas, pineapple. Children, next we have sabjiyan. Sabjiyan means what? It's nothing but vegetables. Sabjiyan, vegetables. What are they? What are these pictures? Let's see one by one. What is in the first picture? Karela. See the picture? What is the vegetable given in this picture? It is a picture of bitter gourd, isn't it? So for bitter gourd, we should say Karela in Hindi. Karela. Ka-re-la. Karela. Bitter gourd. Next we have Band Gobi. Band Gobi. What is in the picture? Yes, it is a cabbage, isn't it? For cabbage, you should say Band Gobi in Hindi. Let's spell this word. Ba in the go be. Band gobi. Let's see the next vegetable. Chukandar. Chukandar. Chukandar means what? Beetroot. Let's spell this word. Chu-ka in the ra. Chukandar. Beetroot. Next we have a picture of a pumpkin. For pumpkin in Hindi we should say kaddu. Ka id du. Kaddu. Pumpkin. Next we have sahajan. Sahajan means what? See the picture here. They are what? Drumstick, isn't it? So for drumstick in Hindi, you should say sahajan. The last vegetable we have mooli. What it is? It is mooli. Mooli means what? Radish. In Hindi you should say mooli for radish. Mooli, mooli, radish. Let's read all these words once again. Karela, bitter gourd. Band gobi, cabbage. Chukandar, beetroot. Kaddu, pumpkin. Sahajan, drumstick. Mooli, radish. Got it, children? Next, what we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn fool, which means flowers. Fool means what? Flowers. What is in the first picture? Yes, you are right. It is a picture of a rose. For rose in Hindi, you should say gulab. Gulab. Gulab means what? Rose. Let's spell the word gulab. Gu-la-b. Gulab. So, it means what? Rose. Next we have jasmine. Jasmine. In Hindi, you should say for jasmine chameli. Chameli. Let's spell this word. Cha-me-li. Chameli. Jasmine. The next picture we have a picture of a sunflower. Isn't it? For sunflower, in Hindi you should say Surajmukhi. Surajmukhi. Let's spell this word. Suraja. Surajmukhi. Mukhi. Mukhi. So Surajmukhi means what? Sunflower. What is in this picture? It is a picture of a lotus, isn't it? For lotus, in Hindi, kamal. Kamal. Kamal means what? Lotus. Ka-ma-la. Kamal. Lotus. Next we have a picture of a hibiscus. What is this flower? Hibiscus, isn't it? So, in Hindi, shall we read this word? Athul. What is the name of the hibiscus in Hindi? Athul. It, who, la. Athul. It who la Athul. Hibiscus. Last we have Gulbahar. Gulbahar. It means daisy. Okay? Daisy flower in Hindi we should say Gulbahar. Gu la ba ha ra. Gulbahar. Gu la ba ha ra. Gulbahar. Daisy. Let's read these words once again. Fool, flowers, gulab, rose, chameli, jasmine, surajmukhi, sunflower, kamal, lotus, athul, hibiscus, gulbahar, daisy. Okay, children. Next is what? See the pictures here. What are the pictures given here? Yes, these are domestic animals. We are going to learn these animals' names in Hindi. See, domestic animals in Hindi, what you should say? Paltu janwar. Okay? Paltu janwar. Domestic animals. First we have a picture of a camel. For camel in Hindi, oont. What you should say? Oont. Oont means camel. Next we have a picture of a dog. For dog in Hindi, kutta. Ku-itta. Kutta. Next we have rabbit. Khargosh. For rabbit in Hindi, Khargosh. Kha-ra-go-sha. Khargosh. Rabbit. Next we have bed. Bed means what? Sheep. Bed means what? Sheep. Bed. Sheep. Next we have billy. Cat. Billy means what? See the picture given here. What is the picture given here? A picture of a cat, isn't it? For cat, you should say in Hindi billy. B-il-li. Billy. Cat. Last we have a picture of a buffalo. For buffalo in Hindi you should say binds. Binds. Buffalo. Got it, children? Shall we read these words once again? Yes. Say along with me. Oont. Camel. Kutta. Dog. Khargosh. Rabbit. Bent. Sheep. Billy. Cat. Binds. Buffalo. Okay, children? At last we are going to learn about what? Yes, these are what? These are wild animals, isn't it? For wild animals in Hindi you should say jungli janwar. Jungli janwar. Jungli janwar means what? Wild animals. Let's see what is given here. Yes, first we have a picture of a lion. For lion, you should say Simha. Simha. C-im-ha. Simha. Next we have Bagh. Bagh means what? See the picture? Yes, you are right. Bagh means tiger. Bagh. Tiger. What is this picture? Yes, this is a zebra. For zebra in Hindi, you should say Gorkar. Gorkar. Go-ra-kha-ra. Gorkar. Zebra. Next we have hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. See, for in Hindi, for hippopotamus, you should say Daryai Goda. Daryai Goda. Let's spell this word. Da-ri-ya-yi. Daryai Goda. Go-da. Goda. Daryai Goda. It means what? Hippopotamus. This is what? Yes, this is a giraffe. In Hindi also you should say that giraffe. 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 Next we have rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. In Hindi you should say that gainda. 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 Again we are going to read these words. Say along with me. Simha, lion. Bagh, tiger. Gorkar, zebra. Daryai Goda, hippopotamus. Giraffe, giraffe. Gainda, rhinoceros. Got it, children? So children, I hope you understood these Hindi names of flower, fruits, vegetables and animals. Keep on practice by reading these words again and again. I'll meet you in the next section, children. Till that, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Dhanyavad.